this is what it does. It pops up, and then it stays up for a minute, and then it dips back down. Normal driving conditions, nothing fancy. I've been driving all morning. It'll dip up, and sometimes it doesn't go this high, and then sometimes it does. Anyway, and then the little light goes off and it comes back down. So it's clearly not, my engine's not overheating, because it wouldn't come right back down like this. So anybody with some help would be great. 2012 Ford Focus SEL, and it's got about 80,000 miles on it. And I think I've read a little bit online, and it says perhaps a chip, some sort of a chip issue, something electrical. And I'm gonna check the coolant and make sure it's not a coolant issue. And I am over this. So any help, tips, advice would be amazing. And this is me driving. Anyway, thanks for your help, YouTube.